Hi, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. If you are struggling to draw bar charts like this, so this video is for you. Alright, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to make or draw the clustered bar chart in the Microsoft Excel. So, how to do it? Let's follow these steps. For example, this is the monthly sales data for particular product, covering various months and the different regions. So, let's draw the clustered bar chart for this data. First of all, go to the Insert tab, then insert the column or bar chart, and then select the clustered column. OK. Now, right-click in this chart, and then select Data. Now, first of all, you need to select the series data that would show on the Excel. So, click on this Add button. Firstly, give the name of the series. The name of the series, for example, North. This is the first series. That is the Y-axis. Then click below and select Values. And then click OK. Then again click Add button, select South, and select the values. Click OK. Alright. Add again. Follow same steps remaining. Now, add values on the horizontal axis. Click on the Edit option, select these data, and press OK. So, you can see, our clustered bar chart have been drawn automatically. OK. You can select the different designs for bar chart in the Design tab. So, I hope this video will help you in drawing and making the bar charts. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.